Have you ever walked into a room and felt an immediate sense of calm? Not because it was luxurious, but simply because it was in order. The desk was clear, the light was right, the noise was absent. Now think of the opposite. Imagine you are walking into your own financial life. Is it chaotic? Are the numbers screaming for attention? Is there a subtle background hum of anxiety every time you open a banking app? You find yourself wondering, how do they do it? The people who never seem to worry about money. Is it because they have more? Today I'm going to show you that a calm financial life is not about the amount in the bank. It is about a structural change in your mind. In environmental psychology, there is a concept called cognitive load. It refers to the total amount of mental effort being used in your working memory. Your messy room doesn't just look bad, it is actively competing for your brain's attention. Every unfinished task is mentally expensive. Your bank account is no different. A cluttered, untracked financial life sends a constant signal to your nervous system. Everything is not okay. We are exposed. This is why people who track their wealth daily are wired differently. In psychology, this relates to the locus of control. People with an internal locus believe their actions determine their outcomes. Most of life is unpredictable, the weather, the economy, or the 2026 energy shock. But your own net worth statement? You are in charge there. You might think tracking your expenses is tedious or restrictive, but the financially serene have automated discipline. This brings us to behavioral activation. When you are sitting still and anxious, your nervous system stays activated. When you get up and take a small, complete action, you generate a release of dopamine. For many, looking at a bank balance feels like a punishment. We use up all our discipline forcing ourselves to do it. But people who clean their homes or track their wealth every day have made it a system. They desensitize their nervous system. The goal is to move from conscious choice to automation. In 2026, automation is no longer a luxury, it's a survival mechanism. If your money isn't working by 8 a.m., you are losing. The financially serene have programmed their AI agents to handle the complexity, leaving them with one job: to provide the standard. We must discuss the 2026 financial supercycle. The economy is K-shaped. The old rules, saving cash, buying general funds, are no longer safe. The financially serene understand that yield is the new safety. They don't hold cash, they hold automated assets. The video you watched was really about identity. You act in alignment with who you believe you are. If you believe you are a spender, you will spend. But identity is built through evidence. Every time you check your balance at 8 a.m., you are building the evidence that you are a person who respects their future. You stop being someone who has to save and become someone who is financially secure. You stop chasing wealth and start demanding a standard. I want you to think, does this ring true? If you have ever walked into a messy room and felt your anxiety rise, or entered a clean, minimalist space and felt yourself exhale, that is your nervous system responding. A clean environment actively supports your brain's ability to recover. So does a clean financial statement. Your money isn't neutral, it is a physical expression of your standards. When you begin to take care of it, you send yourself the most powerful message you can: this is what I deserve. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to dive deeper into the psychology of the invisible millionaire, click the next video on screen. See you in the next episode. I wish you a calm and ordered morning.